G'day, Mick here. If there's smoke coming from your hopper, do this. Number one, open the lids. Number two, turn it to smoke setting. Now that you've got this under control, you can watch the rest of the video and understand why this happened and how to prevent it from happening in the future. Now I'm trying right now to generate smoke out of my hopper, so I can show you what to do when that happens. Now what I've done to try and do this is I've had the temperature running on high with the lid open, so we're getting lots and lots of pellets dumped into the fire pot, and I've tried to put as much wood dust as possible into the hopper to try and feed that into the tube that goes from the hopper through the fire pot. Those two things, huge fire, high temperature, and the wood dust are the perfect combination to get that backburn and smoke coming out of your hopper. As soon as we saw smoke coming out, we opened up both of these lids and we turned it to smoke. Regardless of if it's already at a temperature, say high for example, or it's a shutdown cycle, normally shutdown cycle, turn it to smoke. That's going to have the auger turning periodically to push those pellets away from the hopper through into the fire pot. It's going to maintain a nice small fire in there or let the fire burn down. And after 10, 15, 20 minutes, as long as it takes until there's no more smoke visible in the hopper, then we turn to shutdown cycle and let it shut down. Once it's cooled down, we want to scoop out any remaining pellets from in here. You can remove that guard if you want to. We want to vacuum out the grilling area and the fire pot. Now we've still got pellets sitting in this tube here between the hopper and the fire pot. So start the grill back up, so we open the lid here, start the grill back up by going to smoke, wait till we've got to lots of smoke, and then we turn it up to high. Now this is a normal process. It'll use up all the pellets in this tube, and after maybe 15 or 20 minutes, it'll actually use those up, the temperature will drop, and you might even have an LER, low error, pop up here, and the grill will turn itself off. Perfect. That means you've got no pellets in here, no pellets in the tube, and then all you need to do is do a nice big vacuum. So vacuum out your auger entry here, vacuum out your fire pot. You can suck the end of that auger pipe as well to kind of clear that out. If you've got a blow attachment on your vacuum, you can blow through there. So it's all nice and clean, no more dust, no ash. Then you do your initial startup cycle again, and you've got a nice clean grill. And remember, avoid dust going into your hopper and avoid running the grill on high with the lid open. And if you are running on high, always go back to smoke for about 10 minutes and then to shutdown cycle. And then you should have no more hopper scary smoke. Cheers.